Hello everybody. Today I am going to revise the chapter logarithm. I already told the formula required for the chapter logarithms before. Just revision I am doing again, repeating the chapter logarithms for your revision. See, 2 to the power 4 as you know equal to 16. If you make into logarithm, this will be log 16 base 2 is equal to 4. Same process, 10 square equal to how much? 100. If you convert into log form, this should be log 100 base 10. The power will go that side. Third example, take 9 to the power 1 by 2, that is square root, equal to 3. If you take log, this will be log 3 base 9 is equal to 1 by 2. Take another example, 2 to the power minus 3, that is nothing but 1 by 8. Taking log both sides, this will be log 1 by 8 base 2 equal to minus 3. So the logarithms of only positive real numbers are defined. Logarithms of only positive real number, no negative, no question of a negative. Logarithms of only positive real numbers are defined. This is the very important part you have to memorize. And two more important results, just to see log 1, whatever the base may be, the answer is 0. Log 1, whatever the base may be, answer is 0. As anything power 0 is equal to 1. 8 to the power 0 means 1, 5 to the 0 also 1. If you will convert in log form, this will be log 1, the base whatever may be, answer is 0. Log 1 base 2 equal to 0. Log 1 base 5 also equal to 0. Log 1 base 10 equal to 0. Okay. And one more second point, that is log a base a. If these two things are equal, log a base a is always 1. Because a to the power 1 is equal to a. Log 5 base 5 equal to 1. Log 8 base 8 equal to 1. Log 3 base 3 equal to 1. These are some technique you have to memorize thoroughly. It will be more easier to solve the logarithm chapter. Let us take some examples here just to see. Express each of the following in logarithm form. 10 cube equal to 1000. That means what? Log 1000 base 10 is equal to 3. 0.2 whole square equal to 0.04. If you take log, this will be log 0.04 base 0.2 equal to 2. Power will go that side. Third example, 3 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 27. That means log 1 by 27 base 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Number 2 question, convert each of the following to exponential form. It is logarithm form given, you have to convert into exponential form. Log 16 base 2 equal to 4. Answer will be 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. Log 32 base 8 equal to 5 by 3. That means 8 to the power 5 by 3 is equal to 32. Next third one is log 0.1 base 10 is equal to minus 1. That means 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.1. Let us go to the exercise part. Just see. See the exercise 9a I am doing from the book RS Overall for your revision, better practice. Number 1 question given like this. See. Convert each of the following to logarithm form. Exponential form it is given. You have to write in logarithm form. 5 square equal to 25. 3 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 27. 64 to the power 1 by 3 equal to 4. 6 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01. Already it is given in exponential form. 6th part is 4 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. These are all exponential form given. You have to write in logarithm form. Okay. See the question number 1, all the parts. Just see. Convert each of the following to logarithm form. Question number 1, first part is given 5 square equal to 25. Okay. That means this implies log 25. Log 25 base 5. Power you write this. This is called exponential form. And this one is a logarithm. This is exponential form given. You are getting in logarithm form. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 1, second part. Question given like this. 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 27. If you write in logarithm form, this should be like this. Log 1 by 27 base 3 equal to minus 3. This is in logarithm form. And this is given exponential form given, you are converting into logarithm form. Next question number 3. Question number 3, it is given like this. 64 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 4. This is given in exponential form. You have to write in logarithm form. Okay. Just to see, this will be log 4. Yes or no? Log 4 base 64 equal to 1 by 3. This one is a logarithm form. This is the answer. Next I am going to number fourth part. The fourth part question given like this. 6 to the power 0 is equal to, anything power 0 is equal to 1. This is in exponential form. You have to write in logarithm form. This will be log 1 base 6 equal to 0. This is the answer. Number fifth part. Number 1 fifth part. Question given. 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 100. Okay. If you will convert in log form, it will be log 1 by 100 base 10 is equal to minus 2. And the last part of number 1, that is sixth part, that is the question given like this. 4 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. If you write in logarithm form, this will be how much? Therefore, log 1 by 4. The base is 4. And the answer is minus 1. And this one is logarithm form. Okay. And this is given in exponential form. This is given. Okay. Here the numbers 1, 6 question already completed. The question given in exponential form, it is given exponential form, or you are converting into logarithm form. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the process of solving. Let us go question number 2, just opposite of this question given. Let us see. See the question number 2, it is given. Convert each of the following to exponential form. Means these are all number 1 dot 6 questions are there. 6 questions given in logarithm form. You have to write in exponential form. First question given log 81 base 3 equal to 4. Second, log 4 base 8 equal to 2 by 3. In this way, 6 questions are given. Let me solve one by one. Just see. Question number 2, first part it is given. Question number 2, first part it is given. Log 81 base 3 equal to 4. Okay, one line answer. That means this will be 3 to the power 4. This is base, this is the power. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. This is the answer. This is exponential form. And this one is logarithm form, it is given. Next I am going to question number 2, second part. Second part it is given log 4 base 8. Log 4 base 8 is equal to 2 by 3. That means this will be 8 to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 4. This one is exponential form. This is the answer. And this one is given in logarithm form. Next I am going to number third part. Third part question given like this. Log 1 by 8 base 2 is equal to minus 3. This is question given in logarithm form. Given. You will write in exponential form. That means 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. This is the answer. This one is exponential form. Number fourth part. See the fourth part of this question given. Log 0.01 base given 10 equal to minus 2. This is given in logarithm form. You have to write in exponential. That means 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01. This is the answer in exponential form. Number fifth part. Fifth part question given log 1 by 5 base 5 is equal to minus 1. The answer this is given in exponential logarithm form. You have to write in exponential. Therefore 5 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. This one is answer of fifth part of number 2 in exponential form. The last part I am doing, that is the sixth part. Question given log 1 base a equal to 0. Okay. This one is log form given, logarithm form given, and you have to write in exponential form. That means a to the power, this is base, a to the power 0, this is power, answer is 1. A to the 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Today in this way I have completed total 12 questions. Number 1 exponential form given, you have to convert logarithm form, and number 2, logarithm form given, you have to write in exponent. This is the basic concept of logarithm chapter. For the revision, I am doing all the parts of number 1 and all the parts of number 2 from the book R.S. Agarwal. Thank you for today's class. Next I will continue this chapter.